Using Ronin-SC with compatible cameras. FUJIFILM Camera. Use the multi-camera control adapter Type-C micro USB to connect the gimbal and camera. To ensure the camera can be identified by the gimbal after connecting the cable, first power on the gimbal, then power on the camera. Go to Connection Settings, PC Connection Mode, and select USB Tether Shooting Auto. The button function is not supported during connection. If you need to use the camera button function, ensure that the gimbal is in sleep mode. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.